News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation Limited, Appellate Tribunal for Electricity, 226 KOI ASC Supply Type G, Delhi Cant, Ministry of Defence, North Eastern Region Farm Machinery and Testing Institute, Biswanath Chariali, Assam, Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Indian Bureau of Mines, Delhi Jal Board, Dr. Ambedkar International Centre, Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, Narmada Control Authority and Delhi Police. Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation Limited intends to appoint qualified and experienced professionals for the following posts on regular or deputation or contract basis. One post of Senior Deputy General Manager Signalling, one post of Executive Assistant to Director Systems, one post of Assistant General Manager Electrical, one post of Deputy Engineer Electrical, and one post of Assistant Manager IT. For detailed advertisement, recruitment rules, eligibility requirements and other instructions for filling the post, please visit www.mmrcl.com. Online registration will end on 16th April 2021 at 23:59 hours. The Appellate Tribunal for Electricity (APTEL) was set up at New Delhi by the Government of India under the provisions of the Electricity Act 2003. The tribunal consists of the chairperson, one judicial member and 3 technical members, including one technical member appointed under the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board Act 2006. One post of technical member in the tribunal will become vacant on 29th November 2021. It is proposed to fill up the anticipated vacancy. Applications or nominations are invited in the pro forma given from suitable persons having qualification and experience as prescribed in tribunal, appellate tribunal and other authorities for appointment as technical member of APTEL so as to reach the Ministry of Power latest by 9th April 2021. The application may also be emailed at debranjan.chattopadhyay@nic.in and r.raja@gov.in. Applications are invited from persons who are Indian citizens, male only, for the post of cook in 226 KOI ASC Supply Type G, Delhi Cant. Last date of receipt of application is 30 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in Employment News. The crucial date for determining the age limit for all shall be closing date for receipt of application, that is 30 days from publication. Ministry of Defence, Government of India invites applications from eligible Indian nationals to fill up the post of Civil Motor Driver, Ordinary Grade. Candidate will close a self-addressed envelope affixing postal stamp of ₹25 along with application required to dispatch of acknowledgement or admit card if screened successfully so as to reach the concerned authority within 21 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Applications are invited from eligible candidates belonging to central government or state government or union territory administration for filling up of one post of Farm Superintendent at North Eastern Region Farm Machinery and Testing Institute, Biswanath Chariali, Assam, a subordinate office under Ministry of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare on deputation, including short-term contract basis, urgently. Complete details about eligibility conditions, including format of application, etc., are available on the website www.agricoop.nic.in and the website of Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute www.fmttibudni.gov.in, www.nrfmtti.gov.in, www.srfmtti.dacnet.nic.in and www.nermtti.nic.in. Application and prescribed proforma should be forwarded to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying invites applications for one post of Director, CCS National Institute of Animal Health on deputation, including short-term contract. For eligibility criteria, educational qualification, experience, biodata proforma, etc., the participants are advised to refer to the official website dahd.nic.in. Applications for the post should reach the concerned authority within 45 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Indian Bureau of Mines, Ministry of Mines, Government of India invites applications for one post of Deputy Director OL on deputation basis from the officials of central government or state government or union territory administration. Last date of receipt of application for the post in the department is 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. For more details, please visit the website www.ibm.gov.in. Applications are invited for filling up the post of Chief Law Officer on deputation in Delhi Jal Board from eligible officers. Last date of receipt of application will be the date of completion of 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Eligibility criteria and application format can be downloaded from Delhi Jal Board website www.delhijalboard.nic.in. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for the post of Library and Documentation Officer LDO on deputation basis in Dr. Ambedkar International Centre, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. For eligibility conditions and further details, please refer to the official website socialjustice.nic.in and daic.gov.in. Last date is 45 days from publishing this advertisement in the newspaper. Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare invites application for one post of Additional Commissioner, Natural Resource Management or Rain-Fed Farming System on deputation including short-term contract. For complete advertisement, application format, eligibility criteria, that is, educational qualification, experience, biodata proforma, etc., the applicant are advised to visit the official website of this department www.agricoop.nic.in, link recruitment. Application, complete in all respects, should be forwarded through proper channel to the concerned authority within 60 days of the publication of circular in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. Applications not forwarded through proper channel or received after due date or those received without the requisite certificates and necessary documents will not be entertained. Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation Narmada Control Authority NCA is a body corporate set up by the central government in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 6A of the Interstate Water Disputes Act 1956 for the purpose of securing compliance with the implementation of the decision and direction of the Narmada Water Disputes Tribunal. The Narmada Control Authority has its headquarters at Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Applications are invited from eligible and suitable officers for filling up one post of Executive Member in Narmada Control Authority, Indore, on deputation including short-term contract basis. Last date for receipt of applications for appointment on deputation including short-term contract basis to the post of Executive Member in Narmada Control Authority, earlier published in the Employment News on 2nd to 8th January 2021 and 20th to 26th February 2021 is hereby further extended up to 12th April 2021. Details of the post, eligibility conditions, etc. are available at mowr.gov.in, dopt.gov.in and nca.gov.in. Applications in triplicate, complete in all respects of suitable and eligible officers and who can be spared immediately in the event of selection may be sent through proper channel and by email at usbm-mowr@nic.in and soe4-mowr@gov.in through proper channel. Reference notice, which was published in various leading newspapers of all states or union territories on 16th October 2019 and Employment News and Rozgar Samachar on 12th October 2019 and also on the Delhi Police official website www.delhipolice.nic.in, inviting online applications for direct recruitment for the post of Head Constable Ministerial in Delhi Police Examination 2019. It is notified for information of the candidates that the above mentioned notice or advertisement is hereby cancelled on administrative grounds. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.